News now from Chennai, and in a first of its kind, you can get yourself vaccinated for free at private hospitals in Tamil Nadu. In a novel strategy to fully utilize the 25% vaccine supplied for private hospitals, the state government has asked corporates and private hospitals themselves to fund vaccinations under the CSR. Presently, a significant chunk of supplies to private hospitals lie unused, while government centres run dry because of a short supply and high demand. NDTV Sam Daniel spoke to Tamil Nadu's health secretary on this model.
Free vaccination would now be possible in private hospitals in Tamil Nadu. And joining us now, Dr. J. Radhakrishnan, Tamil Nadu's health secretary. Doctor, thank you very much for your time. Is the strategy to tap the underutilized vaccine allotted to private hospitals now?
Yes, the 25% quota, what we found is that, not more than 5% was getting utilized by the private hospitals. When you look at the reasons, the easy access to free vaccines was one of the reasons. But while the government of Tamil Nadu stated position is to get an allocation of 90% free, at this moment it is being lost. So to avoid this, what we did is a lot of people were coming and giving CSR on a number of other issues. So what we found, we started matching them and saying that if you could fund the private vaccination drive and then linking up to a gap in some area, maybe school teachers or maybe some other sets of people, so that the people who are giving also come to know whom they are funding, and the hospitals are also able to access these funds, and in their private quota they are able to provide free vaccination.
And in terms of numbers, what do you think this would add up to? How much increase do you think every month you could see?
See, at present, the private sector, the Tamil Nadu government on its own has been able to, based on Government of India supply, almost 1.88 crores we have vaccinated. More than 13 lakh people have got vaccinated by the private sector on a payment basis. So this, in these 2 days itself, we have got support of almost 3 crore worth of vaccines. So I'm sure that, this is just the initial days. So everywhere there is a lot of enthusiasm to support.
Any numbers you can share, sir?
See, we are aiming at present the private for this month, the allocation was 17 lakhs.
Right.
Maybe probably up to 8 to 10 lakhs they do it on their own. So the remaining should not get lost. That's the aim. So ultimately whether we achieve this fully this month is not the goal. As we go further, by this matching we would like to ensure that the entire quota earmarked for private sector is fully utilized by them.